or maybe not. It should do. Yeah, you go straight down, mate, you'll come across it. It's just there. Yeah. That hurt. Oh, it got away from me. Fuck. I tried to catch it and it was already too gone. Fuck.
That was a big off, but I wasn't recording by him now.
Oh, were ya? Oh, yeah, I was.
Bloody hell.
Oh, that's why you need a chest plate.
Yeah.
Oh.
You almost fucking went under.
I jumped up and then it kept on monoing. Yeah. Fuck. Oh. Yeah, I might need a minute. Oh, that hurt. Yeah, I know. Whew. Fuck, I'm gonna have some bruises on my chest and my elbows. Oh. Fuck. I've been up there so many times doing that, and I normally land on the back wheel and try and do a little mono out of it. Geez, I scraped a lot of dirt, look at that. Fuck. I think the adrenaline still got me at the moment. Oh. Whew. I saw the rocks and thought, oh fuck no, like that's gonna hurt like hell. Oh, I wasn't wrong. Oh, yeah. Oh. This is the one we came out. Oh, we came out of a little bit further up, but there's one right there. Yeah, I'll just give it a minute. Yeah. Yeah, good idea. That's what I did last time, and that's how I found that track. Yeah. Oh, it's not too bad. No, that's good. The balls, the rocks must have rolled a bit. Ah, that hurts, eh? Well, that was a good stack. Oh. Fuck. Wow. Huh? No, no. I was trying to catch it. The bike was up like that, and I'm trying to. I let go of the bars, and I couldn't get hold of him again. I thought you were going under it. Hey? As you and the bike hit the ground, it looked like you were going to go under the bike. I actually thought that. I think that's why I let go, because I thought I was going to flip, and then Huh?
Last year, corner, you know,
Yeah,
back.
yeah, fucking D. It would look good if I just monoed out of it. I can't mono though. Obviously. Oh, I'm right though. I'm right to keep going. Oh yeah, you want a durry? Yeah, I don't mind having a rest.
I was going to say,
Yeah. Oh. Well, maybe it's good that I didn't have a chest plate. That might have hurt me ribs. Oh fuck. I don't want to look.